Hi, my name is Tanushas. I am the team leader of Year 6. We are building an app or a software to improve the safety and productivity of poll workers. Our app is called as MainTrack. It is built upon the guidelines given by DGMS, Directorate General of Mines, which ensures that poll workers' health and well-being are valued without compromising their productivity. Coal is the major source of electricity in India, accounting for 70% of electricity production. But the rise in the number of injuries and casualties in coal mines has been evident, and it's been constantly increasing. This shows that there has been a safety protocol lagging in these industries. We are going to address these solutions. The main two solutions that we are going to address is our app will allow to digitalize the shift handover system and have a dedicated space to inform any issues to the next group so that they can be mentally prepared. We have a dedicated ERP software which has a special software called Red Flag where a future is dedicated to seeing the ongoing problems and the issue that will be it will be active until the designated authorities update and the status of the issue. Innovation and uniqueness. Our application can support across platforms without affecting the user experience, which increases the robustness of the app. MindTrack is not just a tool, it's a commitment to build software that values the safety and productivity of the poll workers by leveraging and develop technologies. Feasibility of our idea. The market feasibility of our area is very high because it is going to protect the health of the poll workers who are working in these industries. If their health are going to be protected, then ultimately the productivity of these workers are going to is going to increase. So we don't see any less feasibility for our product. What are the potential challenges and risks that we may face? Workers at the initial time may need to take some extensive time to adapt to our future because for so long it has only been manual. So the miners and the supervisors may show some initial restraint to converting them to fully digitalized. The strategies that we are going to we are focusing to overcome these challenges are building a user-friendly experience so that it does not take much time to understand about the software, and also offering discounts or yearly initiative for the early adopters to increase the rate of deployment. Before coming to the technological approach, I will just go to the next two slides. Impacts and benefits. Our target audience are obviously the gold mine company owners and employees who work on that. And our further idea is to collaborate with the government of India to make this software more practical. What are the benefits of our solution? MindTrack ensures that the productivity of the coal workers are improved without affecting their safety, in which turn reduces the rate of casualties and improve the overall coal production. When the health of the coal workers are saved, obviously they are going to have a better social impact, which has also been ensured by our MindTrack. Let's see the technologies that we have used. For front end, we have used Flutter, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For back end, we have used Firebase, Node.js, and Tkinter. At the whole, the programming languages that we have used to build this beautiful application is Dart, Python, and JavaScript. Now, here is the framework. Now we will see the prototype of the particular framework. The sample prototype that we have created using Flutter. First, let me log in. This is just a sample email ID. Just say. Maybe possible. Okay. So now we are in the interface of the MindTrack. Here on the first page, you are seeing the notifications. These notifications are pushed by the particular supervisor or the worker who want to give any alert to the other workers. When you press add notification, a new notification will be get added. And here the shift info. What are the current shift timings that have been going? For example, the team A has been doing the shift from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. The team B has been doing the shift from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Stuff like that. And the upcoming shifts will be also shown here. Now let me show what are the features that we offer. We have a separate page called settings where the user can change the settings according to their wish. And the profile changes from one user to other user. The supervisor has a particular profile. The worker has a particular profile. Now let us go to the integration page. In this integration page, first let me create a name and a role. Let me put my name. Let me just give a supervisor. Yes, user. And my user has been created. And here is the ERP software which we want to connect it. Our ERP software has the following things like inventory management, supply chain monitoring, things like that. When you push down, you can edit and delete any updates. And encryption. Encryption basically is nothing but when you want to encrypt the particular message from the sender to receiver, you can add your encryption data to here. It will be shown here on this page. And here are the notification preferences. Now let's go to the important page, shift handover. The main motto of this app is to digitalize shift handover system. This is the main motto of our problem statement. So here are the current shift, like morning shift from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. The location, Western State, supervisor John Doe, things like that. This is just a sample idea. And here is the shift summary. These are the log entries. It is like a history, like for example, our Google history. What we are doing, it will be shown here. Like for example, the shift started at 8 a.m. was one entry. The equipment reception completed at 9:30 a.m. on another entry. It's other things like this. Now comes the main part, the red flags. So what is red flag? I've seen in the PPT before, the red flag is a place where the users can say that there is some issue in the particular main place. This red flag will be then shown to the particular concerned authority who will come and check it and remove it. This is very important because this is one of the software that is going to prevent the safety of poll workers. Okay, now let's go to report. On report, you can generate reports like the daily report, weekly report, monthly report, things like that. After that, you can select the date frame. For example, let me say that from Wednesday to Sunday, I want to create the report. Let me give the save. After that, we can generate the report and the CC will be also given here. Okay. Now we go to the safety management class. So here are the list of hazards like slippery floors in the northern passage. These are some, like for example, let me say that water in C block. Okay, C block. After entering this, press add hazard into panel. So this list of hazards will not be removed until the particular concerned authority will come and click this. So this is the main important feature of our app because before this, these important things are not being recorded in any particular place. It is just a word of mouth. People say that there is some problem here that which is left casually, resulting in casualties of poll workers. But this app will prevent this. We will report all the problem in our software so that the concerned authority can come and remove it. We will make sure that it is not removed until the particular authority comes and remove. See, here's the example, like inspection. This page is given to the supervisor. For example, the supervisor can come and say, inspect ventilation system is ongoing, that its safety has been completed. So what are these responsibilities? These responsibilities came from the red flag that is shown above. For example, in the red flag, if somebody says that that's a problem in the ventilation system, the supervisor will come here and say that we have inspected it and the ongoing and it is ongoing and it's been completed, stuff like that. Also, you can review and audit your log, and you can save the log here. So here's a sample run of our ERP software, which we have built. Let me go to the dashboard. These are the systems here: shift handover logs, safety management, asset identification, etc. I'm going to shift handover logs to show a sample run of how it is saved. The shift type here maybe like first for example case. Next, we will move to some other particular thing after clearing this. Now let's go to instant reports, right? Where we have previous incidents when we will show how we can delete and add it. And we are deleting. If we delete, it is completely gone from our software. Now we are choose to not to delete, but when we try to delete, it is completely gone, as you can see here. As we have built our software in Flutter, it is a multi-dimensional platform. Like for example, we can create the app into the web. Here is the sample web, because in the problem statement they have asked both app and web. So first we have showed the app, now it's the web. It's basically what you see in the app, but in the web interface. Same main track and code inspection, integration, creating users, inventory management, shift handover. It's basically what you have seen in the app, but it is now we are showing in a web software. Why we are showing this is because in the problem statement they have asked for both an app or a web software. So to ensure that we have created both an app and a web, we are just trying to show this. Thank you.